I approach writing instruction very carefully and very methodically. We focus on the writing process. We brainstorm our ideas, we write a first draft, we revise our first draft, we edit the first draft, and then we write a final draft. I am very careful to explain to them that I do this when I write, that my college students do this when they write, that any good writer follows this process.
Today we are going to do journal number 10.
My goal for journal writing is to give students an opportunity, a non-threatening writing opportunity.
And I'm wondering if there's anybody that feels that they have a strong, confident voice this morning and they would like to read journal number 10 for the class. Martha?
What does it mean to be a good friend?
Thank you so much.
An example of a beginning level journal might be what makes a good friend, why or why not.
And we
In
are going to take
an intermediate level journal, I might give them something like, what does it mean to choose your friends wisely? Please explain your answer. And in an advanced level journal, I take popular quotations because that prepares them more for their state exam.
I want you to write down one thing that you think it means to be a good friend. After you write it, hold on to the paper, and then I'm going to ask you to share your answers together, and we are going to do our brainstorming web together. Okay? Does anybody have a question?
I use graphic organizers in different ways. It depends what type of writing that we're doing. With my beginners, we made a web, and the main idea was in the middle, and all of our examples and details were stemming off of that web.
We want to make sure that when we are writing, to explain this journal prompt, what does it mean to be a good friend? The first thing that we want to do is take all of our ideas and put them into a web. What do I put in the middle of the web?
Good friend.
Good friend. Why?
Because good friend is important in the question.
The topic, or the main idea of the question is good friend. So I am going to put that in the middle of my web. And coming off of this are going to be all of the ideas that you give me. Ladies and gentlemen, when I pick your name, will you please read your idea for the class? Miss Sozi.
They are nice to me because they help me.
Thank you so much. And I'm going to put that here as my first idea. And I'm just going to write just the main idea of what she said. I don't have to put the whole sentence.
When you're teaching writing, it is crucial that you model. English language learners are able to produce and they're able to do things, but they won't be able to just follow your instructions. They need to see it done first.